No matter how many humans may deny it, global warming is happening. Global warming is the overtime warming of the Earth's overall temperature. Glaciers, the Earth's sea level, along with wildlife and agriculture are all being affected by global warming as well, and humans are the culprit. But instead of all of us owning up to it and helping the world we live in, little to nothing is being done. What happens if we don't act now? What will happen to the world that will be left for the centuries after us? Global warming and climate change is affecting the world in tremendous ways. These two problems fall hand in hand with each other. Climate change is caused by global warming. Global warming is the gradual increase of the Earth's overall temperature. Since 1800, the global temperature has increased 0.8 degrees Celsius. Drastic changes like that lead to rising sea levels, increased greenhouse gas emissions in the atmosphere, and climate change. Climate change is the global or regional change in climate patterns. More and more natural disasters are devastating the coast of the world due to climate change. Not only is this damaging our planet, but it's affecting our animals too. Since 1960, more and more species have gone extinct. Why is this happening? Almost all of the detrimental problems are caused by human activity. Our use of utilities that emit carbon monoxide collects into the Earth's atmosphere, producing an excessive amount of this harmful gas. The main carbon producing activity that contributes most to this dilemma is the meat and dairy industry. In fact, scientists recommend that a vegan diet will help reverse the impact of global warming. A study in 2018 showed that the meat and dairy companies are the world's biggest polluters, surpassing gas companies like Shell and Exxon. Top producing industries like Tyson, JBS, Cargill, Fonterra, and DFA produce more greenhouse gas emissions than some countries. Studies show that meat and dairy corporations are estimated to make up 81% of greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. By 2100, it is expected that the sea level will rise up to 1.8 feet. This will not only affect wildlife, but millions of people that live on islands and coasts, causing more natural disasters like frequent heat waves and hurricanes. Global warming has already affected the Earth's poles. As of today, the world's glaciers are melting tremendously, and that is killing off seals, which are polar bears' main source of food.
The outcome of climate change and global warming will continue to kill the Earth if action is not made now, but how can we help our planet? First, a huge way to help is by reducing meat consumption. If everyone committed to a full vegan diet, not eating or using any animal-produced product, the world's food-related emissions will drop by 70% by 2050. Along with a healthier environment, a vegan diet brings a healthier lifestyle, decreasing the risk of cardiac disease and strokes. Making more eco-friendly choices, such as riding a bike, reducing energy-hogging appliances like dryers, and investing in renewable energy sources are all a good way any typical person can contribute to our planet's recovery.